the great scientist Madame Marie Curie, who won Nobel Prize in Physics and Chemistry, two Nobel Prizes for discovering radiation and radium. She said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. And now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less." Good morning. Welcome all of you once again. This is Ritu Saxena on this online teaching learning program. Dear children, last time we have discussed heat and we have discussed temperature and heat. Heat is energy, whereas temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. We have also discussed the different effect of this heat, and we came to know that heat can have three effects: physical effect, that is change in the degree of hotness and coldness, the physical appearance, and thermal expansion. And thereafter we studied about chemical change. You must have observed that all the chemists, the druggist, medicine shop, they keep, this is mandatory that they have to keep the fridge. If they don't have fridge in their shops, they won't be given license to sell the medicines. Why? The fridge is important, that is indispensable part of their shop, because medicine lose their value if they are exposed in different temperature. So it means temperature does have chemical effect on all the medicines. Not only that, temperature definitely bring so many chemical changes that we see around, like plant making their food, in the laboratory experiments on different temperature range. And now we are going to study about thermometer. Nowadays, this in corona time, or in the news, we always see, gun like fever measuring device, that is a digital thermometer. They put on the, they don't touch the head, but by coming closer to the body of the person, it reads the temperature. Why? Because temperature of a human body is fixed. We are warm-blooded animal of the earth, so our temperature is fixed. It must be between 36 degrees centigrade. If it exceeds, it means something wrong, some defensive mechanism is going on in our body. In that case, we need to measure our temperature, and the household device for measuring the temperature is thermometer. I have brought this thermometer. You check your thermometer at your home. Have a closer look. I am trying to show it. What is the different part of this thermometer? There is one bulb, and look, it is shiny. This is shiny. It is filled with a metal, a beautiful metal of periodic table. Beautiful metal, that is the only metal that is liquid in the room temperature. Metals like gold, silver, iron, copper, zinc, all these are metals, but they are all solid. But this mercury is the only metal which is liquid in the room temperature. Now the question is, why mercury? So mercury is the only metal which is liquid at the room temperature, and metal has the characteristic that it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. When you observe the thermometer, it is calibrated from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade, and 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Because this is clinical thermometer, so this range is enough to measure our body temperature. But the mercury has the wide range of it can measure the temperature up to its boiling point is 357 degrees centigrade. Okay, its boiling point is 357 degrees centigrade. Just imagine, at 100 degrees centigrade water boils, at 357 degrees centigrade mercury boils. So it can measure the temperature up to that range, whereas ice water freezes at 0 degree centigrade, whereas mercury freezes at minus 39 degrees centigrade. So it has the wide range that it can measure the temperature. Not only that, mercury has a unique characteristic of it is very sensitive to the temperature. You know, a small change in temperature and it start reflecting the measurement. Okay, and in this thermometer, this is bulb, and there is thin thread like structure where the mercury moves to measure the temperature, and again it is calibrated into small 10 parts, and there is small kink here, and this kink is because since the mercury is liquid, and if there isn't kink in the thermometer, and if you keep the thermometer like this, due to gravitational force, the gravitational force is everywhere, so due to gravitational pull, the mercury will fall back, and we won't be able to see the correct reading of the body temperature. So this kink doesn't allow the mercury to fall back, means it until we are not just jerking it, the mercury thread will remain up to that place where that body of the temperature has been taken. Now, another characteristic of mercury is that it is shiny and easily visible. You can see even a small child can read the temperature by using this mercury thermometer, because the thread of the mercury is quite visible in this clinical thermometer. Another thermometer is lab thermometer. Lab thermometer are different thermometer, and it doesn't have kink. It has to be used in the laboratory only, and when you take the measurement in the laboratory, you don't have to take out and see the temperature. You have to just bend and see. You do not have to remove the this laboratory thermometer while taking the measurement of the heat temperature of the object or the experiment that is going on. You just see dipping in the whatever the objects or solids, liquids, or you have to just keep your eyes in the direction and take the temperature. So there is difference between temperature laboratory thermometer and this clinical thermometer. So we can sum up that mercury thermometer has far more advantages, as the mercury is a metal which is visible and which does not stick to the surface of this glass. It does not stick. Even mercury, if you will hold in hand, sometimes children love playing with the mercury. When the mercury balls slips on the floor, it looks very beautiful, but you know, it is very toxic. You are not supposed to play with the mercury balls, and also it is very expensive. Just see, the small amount of mercury has been used in it, and its cost is around more than 100 rupees. Fine. And nowadays digital thermometer is widely being used, because it is very easy to read the temperature in that. There is a display, small display, where temperature is recorded very easily. So nowadays digital thermometer is quite popular. So stay safe and don't get fever, and if you by chance get it, measure it and get treatment at the earliest. And stay safe. Have a nice time.